Hello guys, welcome to the Diva universe. Welcome to this space. So in today's video we're gonna talk about believing in yourself. Listen honey, I was making this video in Papiamento and I was going off, like off. I wish I could just translate that, because the energy in that video is just insane. But the thing is, like, what I was talking about in the video is like believing in yourself, trusting yourself. Like, do you think that God gave you a vision, an idea to do something, to make something, to create something, for you not to do it, for you not to execute it, for you not to believe in yourself so much that you can do it? Like, God will not give you a vision, an idea of something that he or she doesn't know that you cannot do. Like that is like crazy to me. Like, why would you doubt yourself, or why would you doubt in an idea or vision that you have, when God literally trusted you with that vision, trusted you with that idea, trusted you with executing that? Like, he knows that you have all the tools. I believe God is a she, honestly, but he knows that you got all the tools, you got all the equipment, like you got everything that you need to make this shit happen. So why wouldn't you believe in yourself? Why wouldn't you trust in yourself? Like, why wouldn't you do that? Like, it's a disgrace by the fact that God gives you an idea, a vision, whatever it is, to do something, and then you start thinking like, oh, how am I gonna do it? I need this to do it, I need that to do it. Listen, you have all the resources, all the tools, all the equipment, everything that you need to make it happen. The only excuse that you're creating is yourself. You are literally creating the excuse. You're stopping yourself. You're stopping yourself from doing it. You're creating this excuse for yourself. And it's crazy to me when people are like, you know, like when I was living in Aruba before I moved to Europe, a lot of people were judging me and telling me like, yeah, why would you move to Europe? Why would you go to Europe? You have a good career here, you have your own car, you have your own house. Why would you go abroad and make debt? That was what everyone was talking about. And I was like listening to everybody, and I was just looking at them, and I couldn't give a single fuck about what they were saying, or their stories, or their limitations, because all these people were doing were projecting their limitations, projecting their limiting beliefs. They were telling me like, yeah, if you go abroad you're gonna have all this big debt, then how are you gonna pay it back? Like, things are not easy abroad, blah blah blah. Like, all these motherfucking stories that I don't give a single fuck about. Like, all of these stories that you have are your story. Just because that was your experience, or just because that's the experience do you assume that most people are gonna have, is not the experience that I'm gonna have. Because you create your fucking experience, you create that shit, you define this shit. Like, you could go through whatever it is that you're going through, and it all comes down to what is the definition that you're gonna give that experience. And that definition can be either from a victim perspective or from a villain perspective. Are you going to be a victim of the circumstances, or you're going to be a villain of the circumstance? So I wouldn't listen to anything. Like, it was just crazy to me, guys. Crazy. Wait. Okay, guys. Sorry. Technical disorder. But it was crazy to me that all these people... Give her this. Okay, sorry, guys. Technical disorder. But it was crazy to me. It was absolutely crazy to me that all these people were projecting and telling me all of their limitations, all of their stories, all of their things. And I'm so grateful that I never gave a single fuck about anything or whatever it is they were telling me. And this is why, like, you shouldn't care to share your dreams with people. Like, in this case, I was doing it because I knew, I was so secure in, I knew that this is gonna happen for me. So I don't care what the rest of the world say. I'm actually gonna say it to the world so that people fucking know and see me make it happen. So this is why you should never let people like affect the desires or the dreams that you have for yourself. Like, if you have a fucking dream for yourself, if you have a vision, if you have an idea, if God blessed you, baby, because it's a blessing to receive an idea. It's a blessing to receive a vision. It's a blessing to have the desire to do something that you feel so profound, so deep in your heart, because that is God trusting you, knowing that you are capable, that you have the tools, you have the right energy, you're in the right environment, state, whatever it is to make it happen. And the only person stopping you is you. Literally you, because you not trusting in yourself is you stopping yourself. You not believing in yourself is you stopping yourself. Because if God trusted you so much to put that fucking idea in your head, why don't you believe in yourself? Why don't you trust yourself? Like, God chose to already trust you. So why are you not trusting yourself? Why are you letting your mind play these stupid games with you? Why are you letting whatever people say affect you? And that is, I'm so grateful. I never cared what anyone was saying. Like, people were trying to scare me with, oh, you're going to create this debt, blah, blah, blah. Listen, the debt is not mine. The debt is from God, baby. Because if God gave me this desire to go and make the debt, it's because he knows I'm going to have so much fucking money that I'm going to pay that debt like it's coffee money. So why am I worried? Why am I stressed? Why should I worry? Why should I stress? Just because the story or the experience that you have, that is a you problem, baby. Don't project that shit on me. And that is why you should never let people project their limitations, their limiting beliefs. As a matter of fact, don't even share your dreams with these people. Because like, all they're gonna do, like, I am so glad that in that moment, they was telling me all these things and I was just look at them like, and in my head I was repeating over and over to myself how I'm gonna make this happen, how this is gonna be the best decision in my life. And I'm so grateful that I made it happen, and I'm so grateful that I never cared what none of those people said, because now I'm living in Europe, I'm traveling whenever I want, I have my own business, I'm getting paid 20 euros per hour to work when I want to, because I work whenever I want to. And why? Because I chose not to listen to none of those stories, none of those ideas, none of those things that those people were telling me. And I choose to trust myself. Most importantly, I choose to trust God, because I know that God will never give me a vision or an idea of something that I cannot make or execute. Period. And if God gave you that vision, if God gave you that idea, if God gave you that desire, it's for you to fucking have it. So you do not have time to care what people think, or to even like, why do these people fucking matter? Who are these people? Like, are you gonna listen to a nobody, or are you gonna listen to God? Who are you gonna listen to? Like, let's be fucking for real. You know? So, like, no, like, no, I do not care what you think, I do not care what you believe, I do not give a single fuck if 100,000 people went through that experience. I'm gonna be the person that experience is gonna be different for me. Why? Because I choose my experience, I choose how I define this situation, I choose how to let these stories, these circumstances affect me, because I am the creator. And that is how much you gotta believe in yourself. Like, you are the fucking creator of this shit. How are you gonna let all these stupid fucking people affect you, honey? You can't. You cannot. You absolutely the fuck not. Not today. Go and try someone else, but not me, baby. I'm too blessed and highly favored by God to be listening to your fucking bullshit. Like, do you think I'm gonna put you above God? Crazy. Crazy for you to think that. Like, the audacity. I have to fucking laugh. Like, what the fuck is this shit? So that is why you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your vision. You have to, like, know it. And you know what's the thing? Like, a lot of the times people are like, yeah, but I don't know how I'm gonna make it happen. Da 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 da. Listen, don't worry about how. Just take the steps that you can do today to make it happen. Like, whatever that vision is, if you have a vision to, like, I don't freaking know, start a fucking business, you don't have to do anything, but just go on Google, research how to start XYZ business. ChatGPT, girl, go with ChatGPT, let ChatGPT tell you. Literally. So, that is a start from you just being curious, from you just taking initiative. Like literally, if you have a fucking idea, pray to God to give you the wisdom and the knowledge to execute the idea at the highest good, and wait until that desire come, that idea come, when you feel like this nudge to go do this and to do that. And sometimes these things don't make fucking sense, like they don't make fucking sense, trust me. Like I had nudges, buy this fucking book, or like buy this journal, and I'm like, I'm trying to start a business, baby, why should I buy this journal or buy this book? But you know what, I don't question it, I just do it. And then boom, I needed a journal because I got gifted a course of business and I needed somewhere to take notes. Boom, I needed a journal because I needed to rewrite these limiting beliefs that I have that would stop me to start this fucking business. You see? So why should you care or listen to what people are saying when those people can't do anything for their own life? So what makes you think they can do something for your life? If it's someone that is in a position where you desire to be, or if it's someone that has the thing that you desire to have, maybe listen to that person. Maybe listen to what they're telling you. Because most of the time, those people that are already on that level, they don't care to give you information. They don't care to share things with you. And sometimes it can be like the most simplest things. Like an example I can give you guys is like masterclass. You know, there's like this website called Masterclass where you have like Kris Jenner and Kim Kardashian giving like tips and tricks on how to start a business. And Kim has this one that it's called like the 10 Commandments, which are her business commandments. And when you listen to it, like if you have it, if you listen to it, it is so simple. Like it is so, like the things that she shared is so simple. And truly, it is that simple, because it's not about the business in itself, it's about the mindset. Like the mindset is very simple, but it's not about just having the information, it's about applying the information. So a lot of people went online and bought this course, and it was just like 10 commandments that you can basically find online, where she's sharing how she made her $1 billion business. And they're actually good advice, because one of them was like, you don't have to invent something new, you just have to perfect it and prove it. Like they get to create it and you get to prove it. Like when she creates Skims, right? Like Skim was basically something that already existed. Like you have spandex, we have spandex, and we have multiple brands that sell these fucking spandex. But what made her different from all the other ones is like, first, she listened to her clients. Secondly, she's a customer herself, because she used these fucking spandex for her events and stuff. So she knows, like, a lot of the times the ideas of her designs came up from her own spandex, where she had to cut or reframe to be able to use them. So she basically used that, redesigned it, and then branded and marketed. Like her own branding, her like neutral color palette, her designs, all of these. Like these are things that are not new, but just the way that she promoted it, the way that she perfected it. Because spandex already existed, but you didn't have certain spandex in certain colors, you didn't have certain spandex for certain shapes. And this is where she perfected hers and then marketed, and it was perfect for what the generation of this era needed right now. Like the culture where we are right now, the type of clothes that we wear, like we needed like these new updated style of spandex. And now she has one of the #1 brands in like spandex. So it's not about like just the information, it's about applying the freaking information. Like all of the things that I share with you guys on this channel and on my Papiamento channel, it's all about application. None of this will work if you don't apply it. So learn to apply, learn to apply. Like have faith in yourself, have belief in yourself, and apply these things in your life. Like when people come and talk crazy about an idea or a vision that you have, apply the idea of that every time that they're telling that. You're just thinking of how successful and how big it's gonna be because of how much negative energy this person is giving you. So you're using that negative energy just to think about how amazing it's gonna be for you. That is applying. It's not about like when they were talking crazy about like, yeah, moving abroad is not gonna be easy, blah 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 blah. I was just looking at them and thinking how easy it's gonna be for me, how amazing it's gonna be for me, how successful it's gonna be for me. And I would have like literally a straight face and look at them and be like, And meanwhile, while the information was entering, I was rewiring it and then give it to the universe, basically. So that is what you're gonna do. That is why it's important for you to believe in yourself, and not only to believe in yourself, but it's not about just believing, it's about knowing that so deeply within you. Like the easiest way for you to believe in yourself is just to think about, damn, if God gave me this idea, it's because God already believed in myself. God already believed in me. So why would I not believe in myself? Why? Don't make no sense, girl. So I'm gonna leave it at that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.